Alrighty then, welcome back. Well, I didn't film the process of taking out these seals, but I have one more to do. Don't mind the mess here. Just the tools that I had to use, and this is what you put on top of the valve stem to protect the rubber. What I did was I put a little bit of grease on it just so it can go down real nice and easy on the valve stems. But as you can see, let me get the other one. Took me the whole day just to do bank one. I just got one more to do back here, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get back here to do it. But yep, 2004 BMW E60 valve job. This is for bank number 2. And like I said, see the difference. 16 on each side, so 32. You get an idea how bad this bad boy is. Alright, well, let me get my gloves on so I don't get dirty, and continue with the job. And I'll try to film the last one that I got to do before I go over to bank number 2. Word of caution when you're doing this: make sure you put towels all over the place, and you follow the procedures of how to do it. If not, you're gonna be in a world of hurt. Some people like to put the rope method to keep the valve stems up. I prefer to use the air to keep the stems up. If not, it'll fall into the cylinder head and you're going to be in a world of hurt. And just to keep just a word of caution, these 2 banks here, cylinder number 2 and 3, the stems on the exhaust they don't hold, they go down. So make sure you're on top, dead center on these things so they don't fall in. And again, if they fall in, you're in a world of hurt. Alright, let me get my gloves on, and we'll set this bad boy up so we can get this valve stem out. But like I said, these are just tools that I have here. I use this to pull on the valve stems. And follow the chart. You always got to follow the chart. If not, again, you'll be in a world of hurt. All right.